Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, myself Akshay Vilas Kadam, student from second year electrical branch from Zeal College of Engineering and Research, Pune.
Hello everyone, my name is Kachre Sakshi Hanumanta, student of second year electrical engineering from Zeal College of Engineering and Research, Pune. In this video, I am going to explain our project topic, automatic street light. We are participated in online mini project competition under the guidance of Amruta Kapse ma'am, and my project members are Nitesh, Pratik and Akshay. This project is all about to control the power consumption at streets and eliminating manpower. This includes a controlling circuit of street lights with specific sensors, LDR and microcontrollers during day and night. For this project, we require transistor 2N2222, BC 557 and resistor 10 kΩ and 10 ohm, 9V battery, LED, LDR and cardboard. Street lights are major requirement in today's life of transportation for safety, purposing and avoiding accidents during night. Despite that, in today's busy life, no one bothers to switch it on or off when not required. The project introduced here, it gives the solution to this by eliminating manpower and reducing power consumption. This requires three components: LDR, microcontrollers and sensors. During daytime, there is no requirement of street light, so the LDR keeps street light off until the light level is low or frequency of light is low. The resistance of LDR is high. This prevents current flowing to base of transistor. Working automatic street light is when lots of light falls on CDS cell, the resistance very low, which means it conduct electricity well. When it gets dark, then not much current can flow through the electromagnet, so the switch closes and allows electricity to flow the street light, turning it on. Automatic street lights working on the principle of LDR is that it gives less resistance in high light intensity and high resistors in low light intensity. It gives high resistance in dark or night and low resistance in day or light. It helps in reducing carbon footprint. It is a simple concept which uses a transistor as a switch. By this system, manual works are completely removed. Let's see the working model of automatic street light. The principle of LDR is that it gives less resistance in high light intensity and high resistance in low light intensity. That is, it gives high resistance in dark or night and low resistance in day or light. It helps in reducing carbon footprint. It is a simple concept which uses transistor as at dark, it will be automatically burn when lots of light falls on a CDS cell. The resistance is very low, which means it conducts electricity well. When it gets dark, then not much current can flow to the electromagnet, so the switch closes and allows electricity to flow the street light, turning it on. At last, I am very thankful to Amruta ma'am for giving her time and valuable guidance to develop our working model of project, and I want to thank all those who helped me directly or indirectly during project.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.